Hey everybody, this is Jana here. Welcome back. So today we're going to make a very delicious sandwich using the vegan deli slice that we made 2 weeks ago, and we're going to make a Cubano sandwich. It's super simple, but then I was like, okay, when I made that recipe, I'm like, okay, I gotta create something to use that. And this is it. And I have been having that a lot. My son had it, he loved it. My husband had it, he loved it. So let's get into it. But before, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. And let's go. So we start by making the dressing, which is pretty simple. Equal measurements of mayonnaise, in this case vegan mayonnaise that I made myself, and mustard, any kind of mustard of your preference. And then you just mix it through until well combined. Right. Now we're going to prepare the bread, which you can use fresh bread, but I like when it's stale bread because it's easier to press. We're going to press it in my very modern, state-of-the-art grill. You will love it. I'll show you. And we just cut it lengthwise, like so. Then you add your dressing. In bold slices. All right. Now we're going to add everything else, which is the vegan cheese, any kind of cheese, and pickles. Some people like when it's sweet pickles. I actually am not a fan. I like when it's pretty acid and pretty salty. And then the vegan deli slice. This is one of my favorite things ever. Vegan bologna. I'm gonna have to trim the end so it fits my pan here. Right, now we add some butter, and when it melts, and are you ready for the most modern piece of equipment ever? Now we press it using a second skillet. Modern, isn't it? All right, and let's see. Oh, look at that! Oh my God, it looks so nice. Wow. Just one more thing that I like to do. For presentation purposes, just to stick a pickle on top, and this is it. Come on, isn't this so pretty? Yeah, well, I've done something silly because I want to try one, so out with the decoration, and let's go. This is so good. Oh my God. This is good. Oh, this is good. One of my favorites so far. You have to make it. And this is it for today. Thank you for spending time with me. Don't forget to check on my Patreon if you want to support this channel over there. And to my patrons, thank you so much. And Check out my merch down there because 10% of my profit will be donated to my local animal shelter. And this is it for today. I hope you have had fun with me, and I see you next time. Bye bye.